Find a quiet space. Sit or lie down comfortably. Close your eyes. Take 3 deep breaths, inhaling Shalum. Exhaling tension. Declare, Barak YAHUAH Rapha. King of Yasharal, who hears the cry of the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. Bring your awareness to your heart. See yourself standing before a well. This is the well of your lineage. Passed down from your mothers. Look at the well. Perhaps the stones are cracked. Perhaps the water is murky. Or the well has run dry. This represents the mother wound. The unmet needs. The harsh words. The silence. The inherited pain. The feeling of being unmothered. Do not turn away. Acknowledge the pain. Touch the cracked stone and say, "This hurt is real. This void exists." Breathe into that space. There is no need to hide it. Yahuwah sees it already. Like he said through YaramYahu,
"For my people have committed 2 evils. They have forsaken me, the fountain of living waters, to hew for themselves cisterns, cracked cisterns, which hold no water.
We have often looked to broken wells to satisfy a thirst that only the true source, Yahuwah, can quench. Now, see a brilliant, warm light descend upon you. This is the manifest presence of Yahuwah, His kabod, His esteem. It is a consuming, Qadash, and loving fire. This light envelops you, and from it, you feel a perfect comfort, a complete acceptance. And a father's protective strength that also fulfills a mother's nurturing love. As one whom his mother comforts, so I comfort you. This is Yahuwah himself speaking, revealing the fullness of his comfort that surpasses all human understanding. The light of Yahuwah guides you to turn around. Behind you is a mighty, flowing river, clear as crystal. This is the river of life, flowing from the throne of Yahuwah and the Lamb. It is His presence and His word. Step into its edge. Feel the living water, cool and pure, wash over your feet. It washes away the dust of the dry well. As it flows, it does not dismiss your pain, but sanctifies it. It tells you that your deep longing for nurture, safety, and unconditional love is Qadash, because it is a longing for Yahuwah himself. As you stand in the river, imagine your earthly mother standing before you. See her not with eyes of blame, but with eyes of truth. Recognizing that she too was a person drinking from a broken well. In your heart, speak this release. I release the expectation that you could give me what you did not have. I honor the life you gave me. And I lay down the pain you carried. I forgive you. And in doing so, I bring myself free before Yahuwah. I break the agreement that this wound will define my future. Now, see the light of Yahuwah shine upon both you and your mother's image. Bringing truth and cleansing to the lineage. Place your hands on your own heart. Speak this truth over your Ruah. I am not orphaned. I am not unmothered. Yahuwah is my Father. He is the source of all comfort and wholeness. I am complete in Him. I drink from His wellspring of living water. I am a vessel of His healing for the generations to come. My lineage is healed by the power of Yahuwah. In the name of Yahusha HaMashiach. Take 3 deep breaths. Inhale the wholeness and presence of Yahuwah. Exhale the last fragments of the wound. Feel His living word flowing within you. A perpetual spring of truth and healing. When you are ready, gently bring your awareness back to the room. Now walk in your new identity as a child who has both father and mother in Yahuwah. Shalum, Yasharal. Barak YAHUAH